Rolling.
Lakas ng sounds ng pick up ko, no?
Ganyan tayo lahat.
Uy, gabi sila!
Yo, pose.
Yo, pose.
Tapos gagana Romeo. Left, to the left.
Silipin nyo na yung sounds, mamaya wala na yan.
Guys, I'm sleepy na.
Nakikita tayo nila. Nakikita tayo sa likod.
This is our reckless driver.
No. I'm just a kid.
I'm just a kid, what?
And love to drive, so I want pass driving.
Pass drive.
What kind of strategy is that?
Pulling strategy with 4-piece.
4-piece.
Ano?
What? What else?
Pulling strategy with...
What do you like to drink? Coke or Pepsi?
Coke. Because the Coke make my thirst no more.
Microeconomics day.
What do you prefer? Toothpaste or I mean Colgate or Happy?
Colgate. Because
Why?
Colgate can make your teeth white.
Can make your teeth
going
white.
Go white eh. Dahil yung
Okay.
microeconomics.
Can make your teeth go white.
Guys!
Buwaba na nga kayo, buwaba na kayo. Niloloko niyo ako, buti pa si Tan.
So gay, man! Oh, what else do you got?
Oh, yung likod na... Yung likod!
Oh, yung likod! Video na.
Tapos nakita pa yung ano, pag gano'n.
Ayo, pose.
Eufos!
Bakit kayo lahat may ganyan? Ako wala.
Alin?
Ako nga rin eh.
It's a sign of pirates friendship.
Shit!
This
Wala
one.
ako niya, wala ako.
Okay lang.
Yay! So gay.
Sintas mo.
Putotoy.
Kaya gusto niya matangos na ako.
Loka rin.
Ay, wait lang.
Okay lang.
Naglalaro yun. Naglalaro.
Cut.
Eufos! Din sila ako sa harap ko. Grabe yan.
Kita ka pa rin naman.
Hindi, baka may dumikwat. Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Sabihin ko, alam ko picture.
English!
Ayan, naabot.
English!
In English?
What do you think about that?
What do you think about this Calamba, Laguna?
It's so matraffic, you know. Kasi the organizer is so late.
Yes, that's
They're
right.
gonna pay 100
They said
pesos every
they
minute.
arrived earlier than us, 1 hour.
Yes.
But we're there now.
Where are they now?
Where are they now?
Maybe they go white.
Maybe they're thirsty.
Maybe they using the pulling strategy. They pull us to
People
Go first, then they make themselves
Second, no.
late. Yeah, yeah, late or
Hindi mga
second.
nagbebenta, tignan niyo.
So,
Shoot yung
how
likod
about
natin.
you two? What do you have? What do you have to say about this Laguna trip? For our party?
Actually, it was fun. Kaso nga lang, late yung organizers.
Yeah.
Guard na, no?
It's
Yeah,
really late
I'm
talaga.
starving na din kasi.
Tama.
And our gamit there outside, baka manakaw.
Yes. Kasi open outside.
Yeah, it's open.
Eufos!
there and transfer here inside.
Can you tanong man, ay manang, pwede po bang
Wala.
sa likod ng pick-up? Hindi po ba bawal sa Laguna ang sumakay sa likod? Hindi po.
Hindi daw!
Oh, really?
Pwede pala, Robby.
Saka lipat na ako sa likod. Lilipat na ako sa likod.
Pag kayo nahuli kayo mag...
Ay, wag naman baka.
Hindi, promise.
Hindi, wag na.
Pwede nga daw.
But they say it's okay.
Sige na, Romeo.
Yeah. Romeo.
Ay, propose ito. Seryoso kayo?
Oo.
Romeo.
Transfer at the back.
Oh, sige.
Basta kayo ang liable pagka...
Oh, ito na, kasunduan na to ha. Para
no,
may katibayan, magkasunduan.
Kayo ang liable pag kami nangyaring masama, nahuli tayo. Hindi
Oo.
tayo mahuling yan. Tara,
Magpapamerienda kayo ng pulis.
Hindi naman, pag nahuli tayo, ano ka ba? Okay lang yan, ang bala.
Sure ka?
Tara, Romeo.
Pwede yan.
Oh, game na!
Uy, wala akong dalang pera, bala kayo. ha?
Babu! Go guys!
Ow.
Baby.
Sabihin niyo, wag na lang masyado ilabas.
Say
yung mga
hi!
Dito. Pwede bang i-ano to?
Open. Can you open that? Can we
Hey.
open that?
Hey, wag niyo na lang masyado labas yung katawan niyo. Pupulang kayo. Pupulang kayo, wag kayo masyado malikot.
Pag yung police. Ang kulit nila. Leo.
like beggars. Making angkas to our pick up.
Naki-ride.
Hindi naman niya alam yung tinag-
What's up? Let's cut this up. Babu.